Hi everyone. In this lesson, we will talk about the module and libraries in the Python. Okay? Module and libraries. It's important to know that these modules and libraries can be defined by ourselves, or the libraries can be exported from the another libraries or the codes. Okay? So, importing any module relating its function, class, variables into the another one. Okay, in the Python we will run one py file. Okay, and so this py file is also a module, and so this module can use to another libraries, for example the random, for example the faker. Okay, and so the basic syntax is import file name, and we should assign as the name. This name is a special name, okay, but the file name should be imported in here, just like the week6 underscore 3.py, and so we can assign the new name in here by using these terms, or from file name import, we can import the specific module functions, class, or the variables. For example, the function, the variable, or class name. Okay, these are the syntax to accomplish the adding the modules and the libraries. But before to do that, we need to give the example. First of all, we need to give the x3 in here, just like this one, and so we need to import the x3. Okay, and def main can be defined using this one, the test.x and test.foo, and also we can call the main. Okay, but we don't have any kind of the x3 function or the module or the library, and so how we can write that? We should add another libraries in here, just like this one, x3py. Okay, and so in this x3py we can define the function, the print I am foo. Okay, so the x10 can be assigned just like this one. So how we can import this x3 in here? See, if I run this code and then name test cannot be seen at this moment. Okay, so in order to use the x3py, we should give the x3 in here and x3 in here, just like this one. And so if I run this code, then we will have the 10 and I am foo. But this I am foo is not written in the week6 3py function. It's written, or it's defined in the in the x3 function or the module. Okay, this module possesses the foo function and the x body. Okay, and so we can use easily just like this one. We define the x3.py, and so this x3.py has a variable just like this one and also a function, and so we can call the main and we will get the 10 and I am foo in here. Okay, so how we can call the another body in here? We can create the x4 value in here, and also we can create the x4.py just like this one, and so the print I am x4 module. Okay, and so def foo can be defined with the print I am x4 foo, okay, and also x equal 10 can be given, and also print I am x4 module, okay. So how we can utilize this function or this module in the 6_3 body. And so if we import the x4 just like this one, and so if we run this code, just see that we don't have any call in the week 6_3 body, but we will have the two output I am x4 module, and so one of them is given in here and the other one is given in here. But just see that the foo and x is not called by the what, by this function, okay. And then we can write the what, this example to the what, the calling the first function body by using only to what, to importing x4 body, okay. So in the x5 can give the what, x5.py, we can create another function body, the print I am x5 module, okay, and the foo, print foo, and also def bar, print bar, and also def tar, print tar, okay. So in this example we can define or call from x5 import, we can import foo, tar and bar, not the entire x5 body, okay. And also we can check the foo, tar and bar can be called by using these terms. See, I am x5 module, this is a print coming from the what at the beginning of this code, and after that the foo, tar and bar are seen on the what, on this page, okay. So x6 can be defined from the what, from this one. First of all, from x3 import foo function, and also from x4 contains also foo function, okay. And we can call the what, the foo, and so which foo function is called in here, just see that x4 module, x4 module, and I am x4 foo is calling in here just like this one. See, this is x3, this is x4, and so we have two print function body in here, and after that this x4 overwrites to the what, the x3 import function in here, and also x4 foo is called in here, and so the last comment or the statement is current in the what, in the same import function body, okay. And besides from that, we can define another body in here, x6.py, okay. And so the print I am x6 module, okay, and the foo, print foo, def bar, print bar, and def tar, print tar, okay. These are the examples. And so in order to call every function from x6 import, just remember the star operator. If we are using this star operator, and then x6 components or the class or the variables automatically imported into what, into our body. For example, the foo and the bar and the tar can be called by using these terms. See, I am x6 module in here, foo, bar and tar are called from the what, from this syntax. Okay, and so we just import the x6 only, but from this utilization, and so every x6 components, the functions, bodies, or the what classes, variables, can be imported into the what, into the our main projects using the star operator. So we can build another function in here. x6 can be given in here, and x7 can be assigned just like this one, and this is the x7. They are identical from the what between the previous one, and so from x7 import foo s f bar sb tar st. Okay, and also we can call the f, b, and t which means that this f is renamed function with the what, with the foo, and so this foo is assigned to the what, the new name as f. Bar is assigned to the what, the b, and tar s is assigned to the what, to the t. And so if you run this code, and then foo, bar, and tar are called or are seen on the what, on the terminal page. Okay, in the example 8x8 is equals to what, the print I am x8 module. Okay, and therefore print x8 foo, and def bar print x8 bar. Okay, these are the module, and so in order to test it, so we can define to this following structure. Def bar is assigned the print main bar. Okay, and bar can be called in here. Just see, the main bar is assigned, and also the from x8 import star, which means that the whole function are included into the what, into the r vix6 or main Python file. Okay, and so the foo can be called in here. Just see, the main bar is called I am x8 module, and x8 foo are called in the what, in this statement. And also we can call the bar, but just remember that this bar is both defined into the what, into the x8 and the main bar. And so what happens if I run this code? Just see that if we are using this import keyword, this bar is overridden, and also this bar is assigned or coming from the what, the x8 function. Okay, and also the foo can be defined in here, the print main foo. Okay, and so this foo function can be called just like this one. And so at each case, in the first place, this bar is called in here. After that, the x8 is imported into the our main Python body, and so this foo can be called, and the bar is override from the what, or by using the what, the x8, and so this is deleted. And after that, if we write the main body foo function, and so this foo overrides to the what, the x8 Python file. Okay, so in another example, we can write to what, to consecutive functions just like this one. That's def foo, the print foo can be assigned, and def bar print bar, and also def tar print tar. Okay, and so def main function body can be called in here, the print running as a program here, and after that the foo bar and tar can be called in here and print apart from main body. Okay, and so if I run this code, we will have only apart from main body, because these 4 function, and so main includes the 3 other function in here, but which we cannot call in here in this case. But we have a syntax in order to, just like in the C or C++ programming language, we have a starting point in the module. For example, if underscore underscore name is a special keyword that's equals to the what underscore underscore main, which means that we have, if we have this function, and so this module is started from the what, from these beginning points, and so the main can be called in here, and after that we can call or write this print apart from main body. Okay, and so if I run this code, just see that in the first place we have 2 what, but in order to understand the difference between 2 of them, just see that first of all, if we run the main function body in here, just see that if we call the main body apart from main function is to what is called right now, and after that the main function body is called in here. But what happens if I choose to what to define this R algorithm just like this one, and so just see that apart from main is still in here, contained in here. Okay, and so this is the main 1 and this is the main 2. Okay, and so if I rerun this code, just remember that if we have this syntax, our program starts from this moment, and after that it's called to what, to this one, and after that the main is called in here, just like this one. This is what, this is how we can handle to what, to consecutive order and the what in a for a given module in the Python programming language. This is important to what, to use or utilize the R function bodies in here. In the extent, we use the random module. Random is a specific library or the module to generate the random number or the some characters or the what, the strings or the dictionary values or the something like that. Okay, this is our main purpose. And so in order to import the random, just see that this random can be added by using this one, but in order to reach the random functions, and so as always we do, we always utilize to what, the random keyword in here. Okay, random name. So for k in range 20 or 10, and for I in range 10, while random dot rand int body 0 to 99 and print while and empty space. Okay, after that we need to give the what to this function, and so we generate the 10 times 10 matrices in here with what, with the random values of this term. First of all, we write the what, the 10 times number in here. After that this one, after that this one, until to what, until the row number is equals to what, is equals to the 10. Okay, this is our formula. And so how we can generalize this random function? Random s equals to the r, and after that this random is called with the what, with this one. This is the same condition for the what, for utilization of the random body. Okay, okay. In the new example, we should define the probability of the head and tail. Import random and def coin and head tail 0. Okay, these are the coin. But for I in range n times flipping these coins in here, and so the x random rand int 0 to 1, and if x equals to 0, tail is increased in here. Otherwise, or the else, the head is increased in here. Okay, and also we should return to the what, the head divided by n, tail divided by n. Okay, and so head and tail is assigned with the what, the 100, for example. The print f head head value, tail value can be assigned in here. And so if I run this code and then run int rand int, okay, just see that 0.5 and 0.5 here. But if I choose the 10 in here, just like this one, and so 6 time head, 4 time tail, 5 time 5 time, 4 time 6 time, 4 time 6 time, 4 time 6 time. But if increase the values of these terms, just like this one, this is too much flapping this going, and so the 0.499999 and tail is equals to what, the 0.500000 to 58, and so it's going to the what, or it's closing or approaching to the what, the 0.5, which is the probability of the what, the head and tail chance in this case. Okay. So also we should give the what, another example in here, developing our get rand function in here. First of all, we need to give the import random body. Okay, def get rand a b count value in here, just like this one, and l is defined with what, with the list value for I in range of count. Okay, and while random dot rand int a and b. Okay, and also l append at each time this value. Okay, so we can return to the what, to the l here. A is get rand 0, 12 and 5 times is chosen, and so we can print the what, print a here. Just see 7 11 1 0 8, or 7 2 9 1 5, or 6 6 4 11 4. Okay, we can build our random function in here. Or we can develop the rand range function body. For example, the start is given in here, and also stop and step body can be built based on this range, but it's defined in the what, in the random module. Okay. First of all, the import random body and print random dot rand range body 100. For example, if we do that, it takes or gives or produces to what, the one value up to what, the 100s. Just see, this is what. Or we can give the what to 1 1 5 and 200s. See, 180, 143, 47, 168. Okay, we can use also this function, just like the what, just like the our get rand function. Or in this example, we have the choice variable in here, or the function. Choice is a special function which is defined in the what, in the random library. Okay. So import random names Ali, Veli, Kamil, Ayşe, and Faruk. Okay, for I in range 3, while is equals to what? The random choice is a general function. We can pass the names in here, and so randomly take the one name in here, and also the print while function just like this one. And after that, if we rerun this code, Faruk, Ayşe, Ayşe is selected, or Ali, Faruk, Veli, or Ali, Ayşe, Kamil. We can use this choice function based on what the different types of the main types, for example the list, dictionary values, or something like that. Okay, or we can import the random again in here, the print random choice for a given string, for example Mehmet. Just see, it's written to E, it's written M, it's written T. See, one character is selected and printed on the on the terminal page. Okay. We have another important properties in here, just like this one, the shuffle. Shuffle means shuffle, just like that. The names can be copied in here, and the random shuffle names. Okay, names, and after that we can print the names in here. Just see, Ayşe, Veli, Kamil, Ali, Faruk. It is confused on the on the list or the shuffled. Just see, Faruk, Veli, Ali, Kamil, Ayşe. Or we can define the our main shuffle, my shuffle. We can provide the sequence in here, just like the list or the tuple, and so the for I in range of the len sequence. Okay, and after that k random dot rand range 0 to len sequence, which means that we can select the k number in here, and after that sequence I and sequence k is swapped with the sequence k and sequence I. These are the our definition for our own shuffle function. And so a list is initialized with the range 10. Okay, and so the print a can be called in here, and my shuffle is called with passing the arguments of the a, and so the print a can be built just like this one. See, 1 0 1 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 up to 9, and so these values is confused with with the random range of these terms, 4 8 0 9 blah blah blah, or 8 9 7 4 blah blah blah. Okay. Right now we can create a deck. Okay, import random. We have the deck with the types and the number of these terms. Okay, and so we can create the deck just like this one. First of all, the card types is equals to the diamond and hearts and club and spite. Okay, and also card numbers, which we assign to the 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 10, and after that the jack, girl, king, and ace. Okay, these are the name for the cards. So the result is initialized with the empty list and for card numbers in card types, and also for I'm sorry, this is the numbers, and also for card type in card types. Okay, and the result append function can be called the card types plus this string keyword, the card number. Okay, and also we can set the result or return this result. So deck can be created using the create deck function, the print deck here. Just see that. What is this? Concatenate list is not equals to this one. Card types. No, I'm sorry. See, diamond 2, hearts 2, club 2, spike 2, diamond 3, hearts 3. Randomly is assigned with what is 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. This is not in the shuffle form. And so, if you want to print a shuffled form in here, and so the random shuffle is assigned with the deck, and print deck body can be called in here. Spike 4, diamond girl, club 9, hearts 8, club ace, hearts king, club jack, blah blah blah. This is in the form of the what? In the form of the shuffled. Okay, so we want to build another bodies in here. We want to distribute these cards to each player. Distribute each card to players. Okay, first of all, this is the same great deck in here, but we need to also one more function, distribute deck. Okay, and also players is assigned with what? With the tuple form 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the 4 players, and so the 4 are in a range of len deck in here, and players I percentage 4 append deck I. Okay, so this is the same, and also after shuffling the cards we can assign to what? To this one, player 1, player 2, player 3, and player 4. In order to return these values, we need to give the what? The return players in here. Okay, we can split these players into the what? Into the 4 part, because we define just like this one. Okay, and so the distribute deck can be given in here, and after that the player 1, player 2, player 3, and player 4 is given in here, 3 and 4. Okay, and so if I run this code, just see that first of all this is the normal distribution, and after that this is the shuffled card, and after that first player possess discards, second discard, third discards, and 5 discards. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3 and 4 player possess these numbers. Okay. After that, we can define to do another body, calculating pi number using random library, which we called in the literature, it's called the Monte Carlo method. Import random, import math, okay? And so def get pi value in here. You don't need to understand the calculation of the pi in here, but it's simple. We have a square form of the unit square, okay? And so we draw the circle into this square, and randomly we point to the what? One point into the this square values, and so we can check this square or this random dot within inside of the circle or not, okay? And so we count it, and so if we count the circle and the not circle points, and then we can calculate what the pi value based on the what the pi 4, okay? And so the count is equal to 0 for I in range of n, x random, okay, y random and random, okay? And so if math sqrt is a math function, and so we can call the math, importing the math can enable us to what? To using the sqrt function, x over 2, y over 2, okay? And so we need to add these two values, and smaller than 1 the count plus 1, because we have a unit circle in here. And after that we should return to the what? 4 times count n, okay? So how we can test it? While true, this is an infinite number, and integer value the input, give a number for the Monte Carlo simulations. If n is equal to 0, and then we need to break because we don't have the solution, and pi is the what? Get pi value, and so the print pi can be called in here just like this one. And so if I run this code, and so we have, if we put the 5, 3.2, 10, 3.6, 100, 0.3.04, 1000, 3.11, 10,000, and also if we bigger this number, it's closing to the what? The 3.1425 values, because randomly be assigned to the what? These values into the what? Into this circle. And so if we have the many look or the many chance in here, just like this one, this is the 1 trillion billion number, and so the error value with the real pi and the calculated pi is getting to what? Is approaching to 0, okay? For example, I'm waiting for this one, and so this is so close to the what? 3.1415 value at what? At the pi number, okay? So that's all for the what? For the random libraries. And so in the next lesson we will talk about the enumerate keywords, okay?